Welcome back to Jeep Mudmaster. Today, we have a beast like no other, the Kenworth Motor Home Truck. A perfect fusion of rugged power and ultimate luxury. This glossy white 6x6 monster is built for both adventure and comfort. Stick around as we explore this $900,000 rolling mansion. You won't believe the features packed into this powerhouse. Get ready to be amazed. We're diving deep into its extreme capabilities, high-end features, and why this might just be the king of motorhomes. Exterior front view. Check out this imposing front view. The signature Kenworth grille, powerful LED headlights, and reinforced bumper make a bold statement. Built to withstand any terrain, this motorhome ensures you're ready for the wildest journeys. Plus, additional fog lights for enhanced visibility mean you can conquer both day and night drives without a problem. The sheer size and aggressive stance make this truck a showstopper. And notice the heavy-duty build, designed to handle extreme road conditions without breaking a sweat. Top side view. Up top, we have solar panels for off-grid power, an advanced antenna for connectivity anywhere, and a high-performance AC unit for all-weather comfort. But that's not all. There are also skylights for natural lighting inside, and a sturdy roof railing for securing extra cargo, making this motorhome truly self-sufficient for long road trips. And check this out. Additional ventilation outlets ensure fresh air circulation throughout the living area, keeping things cool and comfortable inside. Backside view. The backside is just as functional as the front. A spare tire for emergencies and a sturdy cycle carrier, perfect for off-road biking adventures. But here's an added bonus. An extra storage compartment to keep your gear, tools, or even camping essentials secure and easily accessible. And for the off-roaders out there, check out these heavy-duty tow hooks. Perfect for pulling out stuck vehicles or carrying extra cargo when needed. This is a motorhome that's prepared for anything. Side view. Luxury meets convenience. With this side tent, you can relax outside and enjoy the fresh air. Whether it's camping in the mountains or by the beach, this setup gives you a perfect outdoor experience. Add in some foldable chairs and a small outdoor table, and you got yourself the perfect picnic or chill-out spot under the stars. And for those who love to cook outdoors, there's an integrated cooking station, so you can grill your favorite meals outside. Plus, LED lighting ensures you have a well-lit outdoor space even after dark. Driving compartment. Step into the cockpit. This is where power meets technology. A premium dashboard, smooth steering, and not one, but two LED screens, one for navigation and the other for rear view monitoring. There are also extra storage compartments for maps and gadgets, along with convenient cup holders for those long drives. The premium leather seats provide superior comfort, and the digital control panel lets you adjust everything from climate settings to entertainment with just a touch. This is the ultimate command center for your adventures. Sitting and sleeping area. Conversion. Moving inside, the sitting and sleeping area is all about smart space utilization. This premium sofa transforms into a cozy bed, perfect for a good night's rest. Overhead storage compartments give you extra space for blankets, books, or travel essentials. And with ambient lighting adding a touch of warmth, you'll always feel home, wherever you go. The underseat storage is great for keeping extra gear tucked away neatly. Plus, a smart entertainment system lets you stream your favorite movies and music while you relax. Kitchen. No adventure is complete without good food. This compact yet fully functional kitchen has a stove, a mini fridge, and ample storage. But that's not all. There's also a built-in microwave for quick meals and a fold-out counter space for extra prep room. The deep sink is equipped with a water filtration system, ensuring you always have clean drinking water on the go. This kitchen is designed to keep you well-fed and refreshed wherever your journey takes you. Washroom. Even in a limited space, this motorhome has a dedicated washroom. Compact, efficient, and equipped with all essentials. Because convenience matters, even on the road. There's a compact shower, a well-placed toilet, and built-in storage for your toiletries. Plus, the ventilation fan keeps moisture levels down, and a heated water system ensures you always have a warm shower no matter the weather outside. Small space, big comfort. There you have it, the Kenworth Motor Home Truck. This beast can be yours for $900,000. With its powerful 6x6 design, high-end luxury, and off-grid capabilities, this is the ultimate adventure machine. Would you take this luxury powerhouse on an adventure? Let us know in the comments. And of course, force them to like, share, subscribe, and comment. Until next time, keep rolling in style.